This video clip, the little DAIHATSU Sirion, and we're going to remove the transmission. Now I have the air filter box off here, and the battery, the tray, and the holder. What allows you to get down at the gearbox studs in the top of the gearbox. And that's our next step. Now the two starter studs. So the top bolts out. Now we're just taking out the starter motor bolts. So we'll leave the gearbox mount to the last. Now I'm going to put the drive shafts here on both sides. Use the claw bar here. Just top the bottom ball joint. Tie back the caliper. And out she comes. Now both drives out. A few studs in the bell housing here now. One up here. And we've got the gearbox mount here. Off the gear lever. Rag it. And off the gear lever. Just going to tie that up the way there. So now we have the rest of the bolts out around the engine side. And our next step now is a few more in here. And we'll remove them, and then the box should be ready for coming out. And we'll take off this mount here when we get the engine supported axle stand. So that'll be our next step. Now I have a jack under the transmission and an axle stand under the engine. So now we'll put our last bolt and lift at the gearbox. And we've got our three last gearbox bolts. Two down the side there. So our box now is ready for lifting out. And that's our next step. Now I'll give her a wee shake, then she should come out. So there she is. That's our little, that's the gearbox out. And off the mount here and here. And the same with the back mount. Here. That'll give you a bit of room to get the box out. So our next step now is to check the clutch. So there you have it, that's the gearbox out. And it's a good idea to pull off this mount here, the back here, thrown here. Gives you more room to get the gearbox out. Three studs here. And pull off the back mount here too as well. You have three studs here. You have two on the side there. So this mounting off. This mounting off gives you the extra room to get the gearbox out. So that's our gearbox out in our wee DAIHATSU Sirion. And it's 30 years or so since I worked at a DAIHATSU. But it's a fairly straightforward box to get out. You have a stud there, one there, one here, two starter studs. Off the mount, three studs at the bottom, one here, three here, and a few at the bottom there. So that's our DAIHATSU box out now. Our next operation now is getting a new replacement gearbox. This one's the bearings is on it, and they're a wee bit hard to find. So what's our next step now?